Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Today's project, we're going to be reinforcing a slat bed. We just got this bedroom set secondhand. It's a bed set that uses these slats, but the problem is that these slats at times were falling in from the edge and falling down on the ground. The mattress would hit the ground. The previous owner tried to fix this with some 2x4s. That did not prove successful. Today we're going to reinforce this so that this bed is solid as a rock. So there in the middle there's a bracket. There probably was some kind of metal post that ran all the way down the middle of this bed and connected to the headboard, but we did not get that, unfortunately. So I went out and bought some 2x4s, got these cut 80 inches long for a queen size bed, got these 2x4 hangers, screwed them into the footboard and also the headboard. So now I have two of those providing the lateral support going front to back. We also bought some plywood, which this is 1/2-inch plywood. My initial thought was to go get more stringers, and they sell them in a kit at the big box stores. A 7-pack of them is about 50 bucks. However, they only come in a length of 60 inches. Mine are 60 3/8, and that's if I move them all the way to the other edge. This is really 60 3/4. So instead we went and got some 1/2-inch plywood. We got that ripped to 60 3/4. We got 4 of those sections. We're going to add those in place of the slats, and we're going to make this one solid piece and get these all screwed down to the size and stringers. So I'm going to get to work. Alright, so after a lot of screwing around, we got everything screwed down. Surface is stable enough where I can walk on it, no problem. I can bounce up and down on this. This bed could hold 10 people all at once. All in all, the whole project cost just a little over $50. I didn't even have to use any saws or anything because I had the big box store cut the wood. Really all I used was a screw gun and also a drill to pre-drill the holes because you don't want the boards to split. A little over 50 bucks. Anybody can do this themselves. Make your bed solid as a rock. Thanks for watching.